Today we will see Naukasana, that is also called as boat pose, which is in sitting position. Slowly come up onto your mat, both legs straight, come into a long sitting position. There are two methods that you can do. If you are a beginner, then you have to do the first pose. If you are doing it on a regular basis, you can surely do the second pose. Let us try with the first pose. Slowly bring your both legs towards yourself, your hands below the knees. Slowly recline backwards. Maintain your balance and bring your legs in this position. Back should be straight. Gaze towards your toes. Maintain the balance. Breathing normal. Do not hold your breath. Maintain this position for 5 breaths. Slowly come down. This is for the beginners. We will do it 2 more times. Slowly inhale and recline backwards. Legs straight. Do not hold your breath. Your gaze should be towards your toes. Naukasana will strengthen your back, your abdominal muscles as well as your thighs and calf muscles. It will help you increase focus and concentration. Slowly exhale and come down. One more time. Inhale and come up. Maintain the balance. Gaze towards your toes. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally. Maintain the position for 5 breaths. Relax. Exhale and come down. The other next method will be for those who are practicing daily. You can try as well. You have to hold first finger, second finger and third finger and your thumb. Bring them closer. Maintain the balance and take your legs into erect position. It's okay if they don't go in straight, but try to maintain the balance. If it is not possible, you can do this pose as well. Hold the position for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale and come down. 3 more rounds. As you progress, you can move further. Inhale and come up. Hold the position, back straight. 1, 2, breathing normal. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly come down. 2 more rounds. Inhale and come up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale and come down. One last round. Inhale and come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale and come down. Hands downwards and legs straight again.
Today we will learn about Kumbhak, that is breath holding pranayam. Sit in any comfortable position, Vajrasan, Sukhasan or Padmasan. Kumbhak pranayam strengthens the diaphragm while you hold the breath deeply. Due to deep inhalation, it benefits in increasing lung capacity. Children below 12 years, people with serious cardiac and hypertension cases should not try this. Close your eyes. Concentrate on your breathing. Try to experience the depth of your breathing. Let us begin with Kumbhak. Listen to the instructions carefully and then perform. Do not experience with any kind of modifications by yourself. Inhale deeply. Then hold your breath and count till 10 and then slowly exhale. We are going to perform 5 rounds. 10, 10 each 2 rounds, 15 2 rounds each, and one last for the 20. Try holding your breath for complete round. It's fine if you couldn't cope up. After exhaling, continue again. Let us start. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Slowly exhale. One more round. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Slowly exhale. Next 2 rounds are for 15 counts. Slowly inhale. Concentrate on your breathing. Do not strike up any other thoughts. Hold your breath. And slowly exhale. One more round for 15. Slowly inhale. Hold your breath. If any thoughts are coming, let them go. Slowly exhale. One last round for the 20. You're doing a really great job. One last round. Let us do it together. Slowly inhale. Hold your breath. Slowly exhale. Relax. Breathe normally. We had a wonderful session today. See you all in the next session. Until then, keep smiling, spread happiness, and take care.